It's the people that make N&C what it is.
150 years is rare. That doesn't happen by accident.
I think any of the founders looking at the business today would see a very different business. However, some of the things that were instilled in the business in its earlier days are still with us today. The business is still about people. It's all about customer service. It is all about making sure we innovate and adapt to the changing marketplace and make sure that we stay relevant to the customers as they were when they started here 150 years ago.
150 years represents a lot of challenges. I guess the main reason for longevity would be creating a reputation of good quality, because nothing of bad quality ever lasts long.
We're all about, as our company, keeping customers happy. N&C have done that over the years, obviously, because that's why they're around for 150 years. So fantastic, and hats off to every one of them in N&C.
It is such a privilege and such an honour to be part of a company that has stood the test of time for over 150 years. It's phenomenal.
Obviously, it's a tough climate at the moment out there. And the fact they survive that and thrive, that's something that I'm proud to be a part of.
The legacy we've created over the last 150 years is just incredible.
There are so many companies who have gone through the trials and tribulations and not survived. It is incredible that Nicholls Clarke have managed to adapt, change, and become the company they are to survive 150 years of trading.
Every time there seems to be trouble, we end up building, we end up bringing out new products and just moving forward.
It always amazes me when you look at football teams, and we're older than most football teams that are out there.
Innovation isn't a department at N&C, it's a mindset which exists across the whole business.
Every time N&C comes out the other end stronger and still alive and kicking.
We have so much experience behind us. We're market leaders, we're innovators, we're inventors. We're setting a new trail, we're blazing ahead, and the company's just growing from strength to strength to strength.
We're more professional, our showrooms are fantastic, our distribution is slick. Just overall, the company is moving in the right direction continuously.
We've always innovated with products that we've invented, tile adhesives to showering products and bathroom products. So the company's always been a forward-thinking company.
Nicholls Clarke has always been about the people, and it's their initiative, attitude and hard work that have made it a success.
We are a group of buildings, lots of stock, but without our colleagues, we're nothing.
Having those family values, and for 150 years of delivering those, really works with our ethics of Nuffield Health as well.
Working for a company that's been going 150 years strong and stronger every year we go, it just gives you so much job security, so much confidence in selling the product, and just not knowing that, or not worrying about where we're going to be this time next year. As long as you do your job, it's like we secured a job for life, basically.
You get out what you put in, essentially. I started on the factory floor and I've worked my way up from there.
Very happy for the company and proud to be part of the journey.
The concrete backing that we have going for all these years, I think customers should be very, very confident using N&C.
To survive 150 years in business, you have to adapt. You have to adapt to the customers, to the marketplace, to the conditions. And Nicholls Clarke have always had an excellent team helping them adapt the business.
150 years that the company has been in existence, and there aren't that many people that can say that. Let's enjoy the day and look forward to another 150.
I think the future's great. I think there is going to be a lot of opportunity.
I think the company is always moving forward. There has been some changes, and I think those changes and strides stand us in good stead to be here for another 150 years.
The 150 years has given us a foundation for the future, and we can use that experience to build the future of the company with innovation and ensure a profitable and prosperous next 50 years.
Nicholls Clarke, 150 years, an amazing achievement. Let's look forward to the next 150 years.